Hey guys! It's been a while since my last video. I haven't really had the mental capability of sitting down and making a video since this whole quarantine situation started. My schedule has been completely off, but I'm really glad I get to sit down today and film this video. Today we're going to be talking about a really fun brand, which is Tonymoly, and I wanted to share with you both the mystery box, which I got like a week ago from that brand, and then a bunch of other things that I bought from them. I bought all of this with my own money. Recently I've been browsing their website and I just wanted to buy everything. I just thought this was a good time to give them a try. So we will start by seeing what's in the mystery box here, and we'll see what's inside, and then also I'll share a bunch of other things that I bought from them, and we'll do a full face of Tonymoly, or at least as much as I can with their products, because they do have a bunch of skincare and they do have makeup, but I don't think they have anything for coverage like foundation, concealer, or a setting powder or anything like that, so I would have to substitute that with something else. But let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I am barefaced right now, and again, it's because I wanted to jump into these things and try them on today for you. Let's go ahead and go into this box. These boxes that they ship the products in are so cute. They are super high quality, magnetic, and you can reuse them. I have 4 of them now. So yeah, I got a ton of orders from them, but I really do like these. I think they're really nice. I have another one of these that I kept for all of my masks and stuff. So yeah, these are great. So anyway, it comes like this, oops, and everything is wrapped up really nice. There's a little sticker. Let's open it up. Ooh, exciting! So I don't know if you've ever looked at Tonymoly products, but they do have a line that's a panda line. So a bunch of stuff look like pandas. So I think this is a main theme in this box. I think that's really cute. So I'll start with the little accessory that they have over here. And this is a hair wrap, and it looks like a panda, with little ears and stuff. So let's try this out. Okay, so I put this upside down. But let's ignore that and just admit that this is super adorable. I love it. Oh my god. My little dog is going to go crazy when she sees this. Let's hope that she doesn't get her hands on it. But it is super cute. You can use this when you put a mask on, which is what I like using these kind of headbands for. And it's really soft, and honestly I really love this. I think this is a great addition to this box. And then we have another accessory type product, and this is really cute socks, and again it's panda. It says Tonymoly on the back, but it's super cute. It even has little ears on it. I really love their panda stuff, so I think this is really cute. Next in this box, I have 3 of their sheet masks. And I love sheet masks. Like I said before, I have a whole box full of them, but I actually just got more last night. I just made an online order. So yeah, I love sheet masks, and this is the perfect time to use them right now in quarantine. And here I got 3 from their I'm line. So it's I'm aloe, I'm rice, and I'm broccoli. I know they have a ton of different things, different vegetables and fruits, and then each one has a different property. So this one is vitality, clear skin, and then moisturizing. So these look amazing. I'm going to try one out today for you. And honestly, I have really high hopes for these. I heard that they're really great. Next in here, I have a hand cream. This one is mango. Oh my god, this smells amazing. It sort of smells like mango ice cream, like a dairy mango ice cream, if that makes sense. It smells really good. This is kind of a weird opening for a hand cream. Okay, so it comes out like this, but it really does smell incredible. I love this. Next in here, I have a lipstick. This is called the Kiss Lover Style, and this one is in the shade 01, PK01. I don't think it has a different name, but maybe the Kiss Lover Style is actually the name. I'm not really sure. This is what the packaging looks like. Very nice and sleek, a little bit like a taller tube. And oh my god, this is the color. It is crazy colored, and let's see, it's a fuchsia pink. Oh wow, it's very pigmented. That's crazy. I don't know if I can pull this off, to be honest, but it's very pretty. And it does have like a matte finish to it, so very nice. I like it. It's super pigmented, so I would love to try their other colors out. This one seems a little bit out of my comfort zone, but it is really beautiful. The last two products in this box are both like Panda themes from their Panda line, like I said before. This is so adorable, and this is the Panda's Dream White Magic Cream. So this is a face cream moisturizer. It has a little bit of a seal on top and looks like this, extremely white. It's supposed to be a whitening cream. This is a Korean brand if you haven't heard of Tonymoly before. And they do have a bunch of Korean makeup and skincare, so this is something that's very popular in Korea. I've never tried a whitening cream before, but I would be very interested to see what it does. I'm not really even sure what the point is with this. I mean, what is it supposed to lighten? Like my redness? Or if I have like a dark spot on my face? I don't really know, but this looks really cool and I'm really excited to try it out. And last in this box is this cute little panda again. And this is a mascara. This is the Panda's Dream Smudge Out Mascara. It is in the shade 02. I'm not really sure what that means. I hope it is black. Let's see. Yeah, it is definitely black. So it has this curved brush to it. The bristles look actually really nice. They're sort of soft, not like those plasticky ones. I don't really like those. Let's sort of swatch this. Wow, this mascara is extremely black. And it does transfer really easily, so it is sort of like a wetter formula. And again, I'm really excited to try this out today. I did get more mascaras from them, but I'm going to try this one out for the sake of this video and let you know what I think. As for the rest of my haul from this brand, like, I went a little crazy, I gotta admit. I got a lot of stuff. Again, they had a really good sale. They had around like 50% off, and some things were discounted even further than that. So I really had to try everything. So I got a bunch of these like lip sticks. They're sort of like the chubby sticks that you can get from like Clinique and places like that. Love how these look. So I got like every single color. They have a line that looks like old-timey pens and like these, what do you even call these? Like feather pens and stuff. I went crazy when I saw these. I absolutely love calligraphy. I actually own some like pens like these and like actual ink. So when I saw these, I had to get them. I got a mascara. I'm not gonna open that one because I have too many mascaras open right now. I got this brow gel. It's tinted, looks like this. Sort of a bigger brush actually. I prefer the ones with like the smaller one, like the ones that Benefit has. And then I got two gel liners, one black and one brown. The way it works is basically you unscrew this. Here you get the product. You even get like a little, I don't know if you can see this, but there's like a plastic thing that you can wipe your brush off on. And then you can either use your own brush or it comes with this brush, which is so cool. I also got two more products from their Panda line. These are both for the under eyes. One of them is a brightening eye base. You put this before other products. Like if you put concealer or something, you put this under it and it's sort of like a base. And then this one is called Panda's Dream So Cool Eye Stick. I use this just on its own, just to give me a little bit of a pick-me-up, and I put it next to my bed, so I put it like almost every night. I got another mascara because I just had to try everything basically. And then I got a ton of their stains. So these are both for lips and cheeks, which I really like. There are ones that come like this, sort of like a paint brush with like paint. I don't know, it just looks like paint basically. And then these ones sort of look like a nail polish. This top comes off and then it actually seriously looks like a nail polish. But all of them have this kind of doe foot applicator and they stain like crazy. Like if you put this on, it's going to stay on. So like I said, they're both for cheeks and lips. So these are sort of perfect for that like e-girl style that is so popular right now. So I'm really excited about these. I tried a few of them already and I love them. So I got every color basically of this one. And then the two that look the best from this line. This is called the Lip Tone Get It Tint. And then these ones are called the Pinky Binky. So those were a ton of products and I'm really excited to try it all out. So So let's go ahead and get started. So of course I had to start off with this adorable headband. So I pushed all my hair out of my face and I'm going to start with one of the masks. This is the one that I'm most excited for, so that's what I'm going to use right now. This is the I'm Aloe mask. So this obviously has aloe vera in it. It doesn't smell a ton like aloe vera, but aloe vera is supposed to be really, really good for hydration. So let's hope that this does wonders to my skin. So the mask is on. I am using the excess of the serum just to go down my neck and a little bit even on my hands. This part is a tiny bit big, I'm not gonna lie, like it keeps sliding on top of my lips. So according to this package, you're supposed to wait 20 to 30 minutes. Nobody's got time for that. I mean, sometimes you do, especially now during quarantine, but usually I leave a mask on for 5 to 15 minutes tops. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I hope it still works and does its wonders, but I will be right back. So what do you think? Do you think my skin looks more hydrated? I actually really like it. I think it feels really nice on the skin. And maybe next time I'll even leave it for like the full amount that they say. But we will get on with the video right now. Now we'll try some of this cream. Again, I'm not really sure what it's meant for. Oh wow, it is really white. I wonder if it leaves a white cast. Or if this is even just meant to be put on and left on, or if it's meant to be washed off. I don't know. Wow, this is really white. I can see how white it's making my skin. If any of you know what this is actually meant for, please let me know in the comments because I'm kind of confused. I can tell that my skin is lighter, like it's literally putting a white mask on my skin. I don't know that I like that, to be honest. I mean, it's making me look really pale. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know. Since I am going to be putting some makeup on right now, let me just try this brightening eye base as opposed to the one that I usually use. Oh, it looks really different. So this is what it looks like. Again, sort of white. I'm kind of confused, I gotta say. This eye does look brighter, but I wonder how concealer is gonna go over it. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. One eye with it, one eye without, to see the results at the end and see if it actually makes a difference. Okay, I'm going to go into some foundation, concealer, and powder. This is sort of my trifecta, the 3 products I always use. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation. For full coverage, I'm always a fan of the Tarte Shape Tape, and then I also really like the Airspun Coty setting powder. And yeah, I'm just going to apply everything with a damp beauty blender. I'm just gonna finish the base with some setting spray. This is from Morphe. It is the Jeffree Star collab. Okay, now that we got the base out of the way, let's move on to some more fun Tonymoly products. I think I'll start with this tint and we'll see, we need some color in this face. So I think I'll go for that Eco look because like I said, this is sort of like the perfect product for that. So I'm just going to put the tiniest bit on my finger. And this is so extremely pigmented, so I'm just going to put this on both my fingers and just tap and blend really, really quickly so I don't end up leaving a dot on my face. And also a bit on my nose, again for that e-girl look, the sort of super innocent, fleshy look. I actually really love how this looks. You do have to blend this in really quick, but it looks really nice and natural. So I do really like how this looks. And what I'm doing is basically just like tapping the finger with the product wherever I want the color. And then I'm just blending it in with a different finger. And I also put it sort of higher up than I normally would have. And then I'm also gonna put the tiniest little bit on my lips. So I'm just tapping it and wiping it in. And this gives like a really cute, innocent look. Kind of even natural in a way. I mean, it's definitely makeup, don't get me wrong, but it looks like maybe I ate like an ice cream or something. I don't know, I just have a little bit of like a stain on my lips. I really like it actually, and you can leave it like that, but I'm going to want to try other products as well, so I think I'm just gonna go over it with something else in a bit. But let's move on to the eyes now. So first I want to try this gel liner. I'm just going to use this with the brush that came with it. It's super cute and it looks like it has like a good shape. It does have a little bit of like a tip if you tilt it, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just gonna dab it right in here and then use the edge to just wipe off the excess. And I'm just gonna go for a basic winged liner. Wow, I'm really impressed. This is going on beautifully. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a bit so you can see what it actually looks like on. So as you can see, it has like a matte finish and it does go on super smooth. It is super pigmented. Not the blackest black that I've ever tried, but it's definitely black enough for what it needs to do. And it looks really nice. Should we go all out with the e-girl vibe and do some freckles with the brown one? I think so. And I'm just gonna take my beauty blender again and just tap on top of it to diffuse it a tiny bit and make it look a tiny bit more natural. I like it! Now it's time for mascara. What do you guys think? This is one coat of this mascara. It looks awesome. So this is the Inked Coloring Brow. So basically a tinted brow gel. Like I said before, I think the spoolie on here is a little bit long. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I do want to give it a shot. Okay, so I got color 03, which I think was the darkest one that they offered. And it's still a little bit more of like a lighter brown than my natural eyebrows, if you can see this one compared to that one. But it actually goes on pretty nice. I'm not offended by it. Lastly, I just want to go back to my lips a bit, and I'm going to be trying out one of these cute little bunny like pencils. This is called the Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. So it's basically supposed to be like a glossy overcoat that you can put on your lips. So this is going to be the last step for this look. Okay, so this one was in the color 04 Juicy Cherry. I'm actually not the biggest fan of this color right now, so I'm going to try a different one out. So this is 05 Juicy Peach. Yeah, so this one definitely looks better for this look, I think. They both look really pretty, but again, for this look, I think this one matches better. And they are both super glossy. They feel like a lip balm on, and I'm a big fan of these. So that was everything for this video. I tried a ton of Tonymoly products, and I think I can safely say that I really like their makeup. Their skincare is really great too. I'm not really sure what's going on with this like whitening mask. Again, let me know because I need to be educated on this. If you know anything about Korean makeup, please let me know. And basically, I'm a big fan, but I do really like their under eye sticks. I actually forgot to show you the difference between the two eyes, but again, this is the eye that I used the brightening base on, and then on this one I didn't. So I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I feel like this side is the tiniest bit darker. Like it didn't completely cover when I put concealer on it. So I think it does actually make a difference, which is great. And again, I love using their other one that's like the cooling one before I go to bed or even in the morning, just as like a pick-me-up. So as a whole, I love this brand. Again, not sponsored in any way. I bought all of this with my own money and I spent a lot on it. I made like 4 different orders and another one is on the way because I made it last night. So I have a little bit of a problem. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and I will hopefully see you all in the next one. Bye!